In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to use workflows to manage SharePoint files. But first, we're introducing the new Microsoft Teams Bible. It's free to download for all our newsletter readers. And you get all the essentials needed to get up and running in Microsoft Teams, including clear steps and images to guide you through the process. To start mastering Microsoft Teams, just hit the link and download your free copy. If you have important files in SharePoint, you may want to be notified when changes are made. And the easiest way to manage file changes in SharePoint is to use the built-in alert and automations. To create an alert every time a file changes, open your SharePoint site. Head to Documents. Then locate the file or folder you want to make an alert for. Once you've located the file or folder, click the three dots next to it. Then select Alert Me in the pop-up list. On the next page, add any additional users to notify if required. Choose a delivery method, either email or text message. Choose what will trigger the alert. And choose when to send the alert. Finally, head down and click OK. Another simple way to manage files is to use the automation feature. To do that, click the three dots next to your file. Then head to Automate. Rules. Create a rule. On the next page, you can choose to notify someone when data in a column changes, when a new file is added, and when a file is deleted. If you choose to notify someone when a new file is added, simply enter a name or email address, then hit Create. To notify someone when a column changes, start by selecting the column. Column names are located at the top of the files list. Then choose a condition. To notify someone whenever a column changes, choose to anything. Now enter a name or email address. And to finish, hit Create at the bottom. To get notified of file changes within a SharePoint folder, you can set up a simple flow in PowerAutomate. Start by heading to make.powerautomate.com. Here, click Create in the left menu. Then select Automated Cloud Flow. Add a name for the flow, such as SharePoint Update. Then search for Modified. And for the trigger, select when an item or file is modified. Now, hit Create. Once you've created the flow, you'll need to set up the trigger and add an action. Start by clicking the trigger. Then, click the select box under Site Address and choose your SharePoint site. Next, click the select box under List or Library Name and choose the folder you want to check for changes. Click outside the pane, and then click the plus icon. And choose Add an Action. You can choose to send an email, or you could even send a message to a Teams channel. To send a channel message, search for Chat. Then select Post Message in a chat or channel. Click the select box under Post In, and choose Channel. Under Team, click the select box and choose a team. Then click the select box under Channel, and choose a channel. Now head down to the message input box. To make a clear notification, we'll type File has been updated by, and leave a space. Now click after File. And then click the lightning bolt icon. This allows us to select dynamic content from the trigger, which contains information such as who updated the file, and the file name. Click See More. Then scroll down, and select File Name with extension. Now click at the end of the sentence, and click the lightning bolt icon again. This time, select Modified by Display Name. And if you want to add a link to the file, click wherever you want the link to appear, then click the lightning bolt icon. See More. Then scroll down and look for Link to Item. You could also add some optional formatting, such as bolded text. To do that, let's click the code icon. Then we can add open and closed bold tags before and after each dynamic content. When you're happy with the formatting, click off the pane, then head up and click Save at the top. To test the flow, we'll make a change to one of the files inside the folder we selected. Now, when we head to the team's channel, we can see that the team has been notified that the file was updated. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for important Microsoft news and updates, and a chance to win prizes, be sure to hit the link in the description, and join our newsletter today.